need a cup of coffee.
Come on, he's making an appearance at the mall.
I can't. I have a doctor's appointment.
What's wrong with you?
Nothing. It's my only physical. When was the last time you got one?
No, never. I never go to a doctor. I'm the picture of health.